Hi, welcome to the Data Fight channel. My name is Clara Raphael, and today we're going to be learning how to plot a scatter chart in Power BI. Scatter chart is a type of graph that actually plots the data point in a data set on a two-dimensional plane. So most times we use scatter plots when we want to compare the relationship between two quantitative variables. And the data type is actually accept is either a continuous or a discrete variable. So let's plot a scatter chart. For Power BI, we head over to our visualization pane and we can find the scatter chart on the third row and third column. And let's select this and make this look bigger. So now this is what a scatter plot should look like. And if you remember, we said you use a scatter plot or a chart when you want to compare the relationship between two quantitative variables. So in this case, since we're looking at a data set from a sales store, we want to compare the products and the sales. So are we making more sales and less products, or more products, making more products and less sales? So let's see the dynamics in this relationship for this particular store. So we head over to our data page and we select the interested columns we're interested in. So we have this field here, values, x-axis, y-axis, legend, size, play axis. We're going to be exploring each and every one of these fields and we'll see what it will give us. So for a start, we look at or we calculate the x and the y axis. That's because we're trying to compare two quantitative variables. So I want to compare my products against my sales, right? Normally we were expecting like a lot of data points, but right now we just have one. But that is because it's actually attributing this. If we want to see this in a more detailed level, we go to this drop down and say don't summarize. We go to the sales and we say don't summarize. So we can see here that um, when sales is increasing, definitely our profit increase. But this is not actually enough information, right? We want to see the dynamics between products and product category. So I'm going to clear this, or I'm going to change it back to what it was before, some and some, so that I can be able to perform that analysis. So let's say, for example, I want to see this relationship by products category. So I take my product category, put in here. So we are looking at this relationship by product category. If you remember from our data set, we have just three product category. That's why we can find three dots here. So each of these dots represent a product category. We don't know what this is yet, but we can actually find out by turning on our category label. And turn this on. Let me make this look bigger. So I want this to look bigger. So we can see here furniture, electronics, office supplies. So we actually have more sales for furniture and make more profits when we sell those products, followed by electronics and office supply. Well, we'll be curious. Why have let's see this data also in the like how much of this product do we sell? Do we sell little furniture and make more profits from it and all of that? So for us to determine that, we add a field to a size pane here, And we want to add the quantity. So I track my quantity in between there, and you can see they're actually almost the same size. So sum of quantity 167, 180, and 170. So they're actually almost the same amount that is being sold across the different tiers in this data set. So furniture has more profit, although even if it has the smallest size in terms of goal. Then exploring the play axis. So what play axis help us do is actually give a chart an animation. So you will see the data changing between different data points in the data set, and we'll be able to see how this trend has been. So for a case study, I want to see how the interaction of the sales and the product has been between this product category in different years. So I come to my play axis and I drag my order date. So I drag it here, and right now we have a lot of data points. That's because there are a lot of dates in my data set. But I'm just interested in seeing the changes across the years in data set. So I click on my drop down and I select date hierarchy. So this actually helps us to drill it down. So first of for now, I the default is your year. So I want to see days by year. So when I select my year, I come to the chart and you can see there's a play button here. So let's play and see how this has been. And I do this and this and this. Let's say again. So you can see how this has interplayed. And in 2024, we just have only electronics products being sold compared to other years, right? I hope we've been able to debunk how to make a scatter chart in Power BI. Thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe, and share this video if you find this helpful.